Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Sangster International Airport. This is the busiest airport in Jamaica and the third busiest in the Caribbean. Look at the arrivals terminal. I'm shocked. Look at this. Does this look like a first world airport? Look at the Norman Manley International Airport. The arrivals area is so much nicer. I'm really surprised with tourism doing so well in Jamaica that the airport arrivals area looks like this. Now over here on the left is where you go to get the buses to go to the hotel. Now you notice how this section looks so much nicer? Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now we are going to show you the area again, but we're going to use still pictures so that you can see what we're talking about. This I think they can do better than this. Guys, let me know what you think. Now to think that 85% of the people that come through this airport are tourists that are heading, chances are, to an all-inclusive hotel. That I think, even let's not lose any passenger, they can do better than this. Now the airport is being renovated. They're working on the different parts. The runway was extended, but I'm not sure what plans they have for this area, but they need to fix this up quicker than this, because this is bad. So guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And these airports make money. The government collects millions of dollars from the taxes they charge for people to go through this airport. Millions. They make so much money that they've taken out loans against the money that they're going to make. So an entity will give them a loan and use the revenue from these airports to guarantee the payment. That's the kind of money that they make from these airports. And this airport in particular makes so much money. It's run by the same company that it's under a concession agreement. So I'm not sure who is responsible for fixing up this area, but I don't know if it's the concessionaire or the government, but they need to do a better job than this. I mean, you don't even have anywhere to sit. You notice everybody is standing. For a country that does so well in tourism, this airport, the arrivals area, should be in a better state than this. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.